My name's Lougher and I'm a member of the Rhôd artist group, and we started because we had a venue and we wanted to show contemporary art in a rural setting. So the aim essentially was to make art in a rural setting and show contemporary art in a place which is probably underserved with contemporary art. Well, I suppose the two hardest things at the moment, one is finding funding for any contemporary art, and the other one is keeping the committee fresh and exciting, because it's very easy for something to become established and then become a little bit ossified. Well, we're kind of going through a period of change at the moment, so I'm really looking forward to finding new ways of making art and paying artists. So at the moment we're looking towards doing public art commissions. I think one of the most important things is enjoying yourself, but I think the other thing is not to become too established almost, is to be willing to change direction and to follow that, and not just feed the thing that you've set up, to be really critical and be ready to move on when it's over.